Welcome to Dhev Prakashan Academy Maharashtra. Today we are learning for standard 4th and I am your teacher Sumedha. Now see what is our topic name. So students, so please pay attention. Today we are learning for subject English standard 4th. Okay. Now see what is our topic name. See what is our topic name, that is puzzles and riddles. Okay, what is puzzle? What is puzzle mean by in Marathi or Hindi? In Marathi, what we called it as a coda, शब्द कोडे, बरोबर? Okay. Now see, we will take the first we will understand and we take the example for multiple choice question. Okay, students, now pay attention over here. See what is this? Puzzles and riddles. Okay, what is puzzles? Games or problem testing your skills and logic. They often involve arranging pieces or displaying codes. Okay, what is meaning of this? See, what it helps, puzzles helps to improve your skills, right? Your knowledge. You are testing your skills and logic. What you have to apply? You have to apply the logic. Okay. If you apply a proper logic, what will happen? You will get the right answer. Okay. Now see students, can you see this type of a game in your home you have, right? This type of game you have, right, at your home. What is called? It called as a puzzle. Puzzle means what? Code. Understood? See. This is what? Arranging pieces. What is this? Pieces. And what is both children are doing? They are arranging the pieces. Right? You also play at your home like this. I know everyone have this kind of game. Now see, what is adults statement or questions which hidden meaning. They require creative thinking to find the answer. See, what is meant by creative thinking? Creative thinking means you have to think first. Creative means what? Something different, not in a routine way. Okay, something new. If you can say like an idea. Okay, a new gold idea. Okay, means what? See, if I say answer the question for 10 plus 10, what you will do? You will take a notebook and write 10 plus 10. But if someone is so smart, what he will do? He will count in on his fingers and reply fast. Okay, this is the way. Creative. Another means something different, which is not same. Okay, now see students, we will take the multiple choice question. This is for your practice and very easy. Okay, you just have to look and I will share you the answers also. Okay, now see, what is the question? I have cities but no house. See, this is like a, this is what? This is a puzzle. Okay, I have cities but no house. Forest but no trees. And water but no fish. Who I am? I am a map. Who I am? I am a map. Okay, now see what has an eye. EYE. See, potato, button, straw. I have an eye. See, everyone have the needle at home. This small is called eye. This hole is what called eye. Okay. And if you say button is also have a eye, but this is not an eye. This is a hole. This is a hole. Okay. Potato, everyone knows a potato. Potato is in just round in shape. Okay, and a straw. Straw means thing on a solid thing. Okay, okay. This way you will find the correct answer. The answer is a needle. Answer is a needle. See, if you don't know the answer, you think on the option first. Okay. Now slowly you will understand how to solve. Next is for practice time also, that is a little bit medium level or little bit high level. Okay. What holds water? Now see what I have said. What holds water? See, what is fully of holes but still holds water? Fully of holes. What is meant by hole? Hole means a small, this kind of hole that particular thing is have, but still that can hold the water. What is holes? And this is hold. Okay. Now see the one here is a magic. See, everyone knows sponge. This is a sponge. It have a little small dot on it, right? And a net. See, everyone play the football. Everyone see this kind of a net. This net can hold the water. This have the holes, but it can hold the water. No. Now see, you will say the hold the water means you directly pick the bucket answer. But no, this is the trick how to solve and identify the right answer. See, what is this? This is bucket. Everyone know the bucket? See, this is a water inside in the bucket. It can hold, but did bucket have hole? No, if we do the hole to the bucket, the all water will be drained. Right? But this is also a not answer. A solving. No, this is not an answer. Our answer is sponge or sponge. Okay, you pronounce sponge. Sponge is a right pronunciation. Sponge is not a right pronunciation. Okay, this is what? This is a sponge. Now see another question here this side. Okay, what question can you never answer yes to? Okay, see what I am asked. If I ask, are you sleeping? What you will say? Yes, I am sleeping, ma'am. You are teaching and I am sleeping. You will answer yes. You will say no, I am not sleeping. I am listening to you. But actually, if you are sleeping also, but you will what say? No, no, I am not sleeping. I am listening. I know everything. Okay, but if I ask you some question, will you able to answer? Yes, you can. Yes, good. Means you are paying attention to. Yes, good then. See, and are you awake? If I said, are you awake? You will always say, yes, madam, I am awake. We are awake. We are listening to you, what you are teaching to us. And what I say, if you are hungry, while I'm teaching, you will say, no, no, we are not hungry. Right? But if you are hungry also, but what you will say, yes, we are hungry, madam, but we will take our lunch after the session. Okay, but you can say yes to this question. But are you full? Full means what? If I ask, have you done your lunch? You said yes, I have done the lunch. And what you will say? Yes, madam, we are full now. Means what? Your stomach is full. Right? This is the meaning and this is the way to solve the answer. See, the answer is, are you sleeping? If I ask, are you sleeping? Will you be able to answer it? No, what you will say? You will say, no, no, madam, we are not sleeping. but the answer will be, are you sleeping? So what is the question? You never say yes. What you do? You never say yes, you will always say no to this answer. So that's why this answer is right. Got it? Got it, everyone? Yes, good. Now next we will do the practice also. So this is a little bit hard part. Okay, see what is always in front of you. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? See, we always talk about our future or the sky, your nose, your shadow. See, from this we can take first your shadow. Okay, if it is in a dark time, means if it's a night time but something has a lamp is on, you can see your shadow, or in sunlight also. Okay, if you are walking and you can see your shadow immediately. Okay, your nose you can see in your mirror, right? If you are standing in front of the mirror, you can see your nose. The sky also, if you look up, you can see the sky. But the future, we always talk about the future. See, what we say, what will happen if you don't study today? Your future will be not good. Can you see that? Your future? No, we cannot see. Nobody can see the future. We can predict. Means what? We can analyze. If I study hard, I will have a definitely good future. Right? This is a prediction. If you say, I am not doing the exercise and still I will be healthy in future. No. You have to do everyday exercise. So what will happen? You will be a fit and good healthy life. Got it? So what is the answer? The answer is the future. So we will take the future. Okay. So future is not able to see. Understood? Understood? Very good. Now see what has to be broken. See the what has to be broken before you can use it. See, promise. If you broke the promise, anyone will trust you? No. Okay. Option is a toy. If you uh, broke the toy, can you use that toy again? No. A glass. If I broke one glass, can I drink water in that? No. Another, an egg. See, if you want to eat an omelette, what you have to do? You have to break the egg first. So what is the answer? Broke before you can use. Before use means this is an egg. You have to break and then only you can make the omelette. Okay? Everyone get this my point? So answer is egg. Okay. Now see more practice. Okay. What is light? What is light but you can't hold it? A feather, a dream, a sunlight, a balloon. What is the answer? The answer is sunlight. You cannot hold the sunlight. You can hold the balloon. You can hold means a dream also, but dream is something different. Dream is like related to emotions. That is inside you. Means you are dreaming means what you are visualizing. You are connected emotionally to that thing. Okay. And a feather. Feather means what? A bird's feather means birds wings have birds have wings, right? But there are small feather. In Marathi, what it called? Pankh. Barabar. See. So answer is sunlight. You see the sunlight, but you cannot hold that by your hands. Can you touch the sunlight? But you can feel the sunlight. When you are standing outside your home or you are playing in the garden, you can feel the sunlight, but you cannot hold it, right? This way you have to solve. Now another is, what has one head? What has one head, one foot and four legs? How many legs? Four legs. Okay. See, the answer is table. Bed have four head. Okay. Now see, next. Tall when young. I am a tall when I am a young, and I am a short when I am old. What am I? See, everyone know we see around a tall person also. But if a tall person is young, he will never get short when he is old. Okay. A building. You see, a building is a non-living thing. If you build a high building, it will be a high. If you build a short building, it will be a short. They cannot change. Okay, they cannot increase or decrease. Yeah, but it can collapse. Means what if they are high and or directly collapse, but they are not cannot decrease or increase automatically. Okay, a tree. A tree is also there. See, if a tree is small but starting, when the tree is young, it is a short, and when he is old, he is high or he is tall. Okay, and what is about the candle? If I blow the candle, what will happen? It will stop. But if I light the candle first, it is tall. Okay, everyone know a candle is tall, or it has a long, it has a simple stick, right? But if you light the candle, what will happen? After a some time, slowly, it will become a short. Okay, so that's why answer is a candle. Okay, now see another MCQ, that is always coming. What is always coming? Whatever arrives. If you say the future is coming, but future will arrive definitely. Okay, today is not coming, but today is arrived. Yesterday has passed. Okay, so it cannot be arrive or it also cannot be come. But tomorrow is coming. If I say tomorrow is coming and you have to means what I am saying. See, tomorrow will come and it will be arrived also. Okay, so and it cannot arrive, but never arrive. What is tomorrow is always coming, but never arrive. It cannot be arrived. Okay, so this is for your homework. What has to be answered? What has to be answered? All thought it's asked no question. A phone. Okay, you will pick the a phone. What sounds like a parrot? See, it is related to rhyming word. See, how a carrot, a dog, a cat, a boat. What is rhyming? A carrot is rhyming. Never used until it's broke. If you broke the pencil, can you use it? No. A window. If you broke the window, you cannot close that again. Right? A computer. If you broke the computer, can you use it? No, you cannot play game on it, or you cannot study on it. Right? Same that way, if you broke the egg, what will happen? You can make an omelette, or what your food you like, you can make from that, right? So answer is egg. One voice may need languages. What has one voice but can speak in a different language? A parrot, a human, a tree. Parrot can talk, but he cannot be speak in always in a different language. Which language he has done that he also can speak. A human being. See, everyone have a different languages, but in rare cases you can talk in all language. But sometimes what happen? One two language you cannot understand also, and you cannot speak. A tree. Okay, have you seen a tree speaking around you? Ever have you seen a tree is speaking? He is saying hi to you when you go to school. Doing tree is like that? Haven't you seen this kind of talking to trees? No. So what will be the answer? Answer will be Alexa. If you say in Hindi, she will reply in Hindi. If you talk in English, it will be answered in English itself. If you talk in another language, there are so many languages like Malayalam, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, every language we can speak. Why? Because that is an artificial, because that is something as fields that is related to machine. That's why if we what input we give, they will give the output definitely in that way. Okay, so answer will be an Alexa. Okay, so you will see this answer. No life but can die. A insect. A insect have life but can die. A person also have a life. Everyone, what we are doing, we are living our life. We are die one day, right? This is the half part of our question. But what? No life, we have a life, right? See another, a plant also. Plant is also living thing. Plant also have a life. They also die one day. But a battery, battery is a living thing? No, it is a non-living thing. So see, what will be the option? Option will be a battery. See how battery is a non-living thing, right? It does not have any kind of life. Why? Because it is an artificial. It is related to something machine, related to some electric. Okay. Means what? If you put a charge on your phone, what will happen? It is charging. But if you used your phone 1 hour, 2 hour, what will happen? Battery will discharge. So what you have to do? You have to again that charge. This is cycle, but they did not have the life. Got it? Yes, this is the right answer. A battery. Okay. Now, see students, we have done with the MCQ, and here I have given the answers also. Okay, which we have previously solved. Okay, now keep practicing and keep smiling, and always do the challenging thing and try to think something different, try to do something creative, so you will solve this kind of question in the MCQ part. So thank you so much students, and have a fun. Thank you.